When you log into Mahara for the first time, you should see a screen like this. And the first thing we're going to do is edit our profile. So you have in Mahara a number of kind of social networky type features which you can choose to engage with or not, but essentially it means that you are able to make friends with other users, make small groups of people that can share content, etc., etc. For the purposes of the PG Cert, you don't have to use everything that Mahara can do. But as an exercise, we're going to start off by editing our profile, and this is how you do it. Up here in the top right hand corner, you'll see these three lines. If we click on these, we can access a section which allows us to control the content and files that we've uploaded to Mahara. So if I open the content tab here, I've got two options: profile pictures and profile. Let's do a profile picture to start off with. Click on profile pictures. And you can see that actually Mahara's already pulled through my standard BIM picture from Moodle, and that's available. And then I've got a picture here that I uploaded before. If you'd like to upload a picture, you scroll down, hit choose file in the profile picture field, choose a file and upload it, and you can give it a title. I'm going to then choose to use my default BIM picture, so I'm going to hit the default button there, set default, and you should see my picture change in the top right hand corner. Of course, in here you can also delete any pictures which you don't want to have. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the three lines and I'm going to click this time on profile, and this section allows you to specify what information you have shared in your profile. So I've already filled in here in the general tab my occupation. There's also an option to put some social media links in here if you want to. I stress that you don't have to do this for the PG Cert. Contact information if there's something that you want to include, and some information about you. If you want to have a display name that's different to your profile name, you can do that here. However, we'd advise you not to do that for the PG Cert because we need your actual name to appear on your portfolio. You might want to use the contact information later on for other aspects of Mahara. For example, if you end up using the portfolio to communicate with your students or to communicate with other users. So for now, that's enough information for my profile. Now I'm going to go and look and see what it looks like on screen. And to do that, I click on this little arrow next to my face up here, which is labeled user menu, and I click on my name. This takes me to my profile page, and you can see here some of the social media type features. So I have over here some friends, other members of the PG Cert team. I can see the information here that I've put in about myself, some groups that I'm a member of on Mahara, and some portfolios that I've created myself within Mahara. If I want to edit this, I can click on edit up here and move the blocks around. If I want to have maybe the about me block over here instead on the screen. This is one of the things that makes Mahara very powerful, is that it's quite easy to move and arrange the pages, which will be useful when you come to include items in your portfolio which aren't just text. If I want to include some more text, I can just drag blocks in like this and add a little bit more text if I want. And likewise, if you put something into Mahara and you subsequently think perhaps it was a bad idea, you can delete it quite easily like that. So for now, I'm kind of happy with how my profile looks. Don't feel like I need to do much more with that. So I'm just going to hit display page. Takes me out of the editing. Check that that's all okay, and I'm happy to carry on.